Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. This is a new playlist about data mining. So in this video, we are going to see an overview about data mining. Let's get started. So first of all, let's see what is exactly data mining. Data mining is the study of collecting, cleaning, processing, analyzing, and gaining useful insights from data. Data mining is a broad umbrella term that is used to describe these different aspects of data processing. In the modern age, virtually all automatic systems generate some form of data either for diagnostic or analysis purposes. This has resulted in a deluge of data, which has been reaching the order of petabytes or exabytes. All of this is because a wide variation exists in terms of problem domains, applications, formulations, and data representations that are encountered in real applications. Now let's see some examples of different kinds of data. For example, we have World Wide Web. The number of documents on the indexed web is known on the order of billions, and the invisible web is much larger. We can say that the linked structure of the web is referred to as the web graph, which is itself a kind of data. The web documents and link structure can be mined to determine associations between different topics on the web. On the other hand, user access logs can be mined to determine frequent patterns of accesses or unusual patterns of possibly unwarranted behavior. Now, for the financial interactions, most common transaction of everyday life, such as using an automatic teller machine ATM card or credit card, can create data in an automated way. Such transaction can be mined for many useful insights, such as fraud or other unusual activity. For user interactions, many forms of user interactions create a large volumes of data. For example, let's say the use of a telephone typically creates a record at telecommunication company, for example, with details about the duration and destination of the call. Many phone companies routinely analyze such data to determine relevant patterns of behavior that can be used to make decisions about network capacity, promotions, pricing, or as customer targeting also. Now let's see the data mining process. So the data processing pipeline is here in this figure. We have the data collection, then the data pre-processing. It contains feature extraction, cleaning, and integration. Then we have the last step is the analytical processing with building block 1, block 2, etc. And we have the output for the analyst. Now let's see the data mining process with more details. Let's get started with data collection. As you see, the data collection may require the use of specialized hardware such as sensor network, manual labor, and software tools such as web document scrolling engine to collect documents. It is critically important because good choices at this stage may significantly impact the data mining process. After the collection phase, the data are often stored in a database or more generally a data warehouse for processing. Now for feature extraction and data cleaning. When the data are collected, they are often not in a form that is suitable for processing. For example, the data may be encoded in complex logs or free-form documents. In many cases, different types of data may be arbitrarily mixed together in free-form documents. To make the data suitable for processing, it is essential to transform them into a format that is friendly to data mining algorithms, such as multidimensional time series or semi-structured formats. The feature extraction phase is often performed in parallel with data cleaning, where missing and erroneous parts of the data are either estimated or corrected. After the feature extraction phase, the data may gain again be stored in a database for processing. Now let's see the analytical processing and algorithms phase. The final part of the meaning process is to design effective analytical methods from the processed data. In many cases, it may not be possible to directly use and standard data mining problems. A major challenge is that each data mining application is unique. We have four problems: association pattern meaning, classification, clustering, outlier detection. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more content. In the next video, inshallah, we are going to see pattern association rules.